If you want to learn how to present with confidence using Canva, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you how I leveled up my recent presentation using this cool trick in Canva. I'm doing a Canva training. I designed my presentation in Canva, and I'm also doing the presentation in Canva, right? I hope that makes sense. So Canva has made it easier for persons to create the presentations and also present in Canva. And I'm going to show you a really cool feature that I personally enjoy and I've been using since I've been doing this training. So come and see. Alright, so one of the things is that I am now in presenter mode. With presenter mode, I have a timer. I can reset that timer, and I can also play the timer, or start I should say. But I can also add notes, you know, so when I'm presenting I might miss something, I want to remember something, I can add my notes here. But here's my favorite feature. My favorite feature is the fact that I can use a remote control using my phone. So what I'm gonna do is to scan, right? So I scan, I know I have my remote. So what you're seeing here is that I am now connected via my phone, which is the remote control. And let's see it in action, right? So what I'm gonna do now is to slide through my presentation using my phone, and I can also engage and interact with my audience using some of the features in Canva. Now this is really amazing, like, yeah. So if you're thinking about using Canva or even thinking about your presentation but want a better platform to utilize, it's Canva. It has to be Canva. If you enjoyed this Canva tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments in the box below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to get more Canva tutorials just like this.